Well, I'm around here in the field and it's quite a stiff breeze, and I've got my little helicopter with me. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll give it a try. We will give it a serious try. There we go. I'll put it in high rates. Or shall I keep it low? I don't know. Where's the wind coming from? There. Okay. Well, it's doing its best. Oh God, I'm flying into the sun again. Come back, baby. Come back, boy. It's quite a lot of breeze here. And now I'm into the sun, which doesn't help. But even with the wind, I think I'll go into the second rate. There we go. Oh well, now it's doing quite well. Let's keep it in front of us. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back. Whoa. Whoa. Come back. Okay. That's fine. Well. It's not in the water. There is water there, but let's hope it's not in the water, otherwise I've just lost my helicopter. It's just neatly on the paving. That's great. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Keep it into the wind and into the sun. Oh, lovely. Okay. Well, it's doing great. Ooh. Sorry guys about the sun. So it can handle some wind. As you can see with the turbines in the back, it's blowing. You know, and if you let it go with the wind, now it's high up and of course more wind. Bring it down. Bring it down. Come on, come on. Power up. Come on. Ooh, it's having problems. It's a little fighter, isn't it? It is a little fighter. Hey, man. Couldn't recover from that. It's great. It's great. You can see the turbines at the back there blowing, so the wind is coming from there, and it well, it's you can fly it, no problem. Only I'm not such a fantastic pilot. Well, let's keep it a bit closer. There we go. Come on. You can see the wobble in the tail. Whoa. Come on, fight the wind. There we go. Good boy. I should have brought my bigger helicopter. Ah, lovely wind. Lovely, the sun. Ah, come up, come up, come up, come up. Do it, do it, do it. Ah. The thing is, in high rates, it will dive down when you throttle up or try to go forward. But it's behaving nicely. It's not a problem. Come on, up you go. Up you go. Whoa. So you need a bit more height when you're flying in high rates. Come on, and now back into the wind. Now the wind has picked up and we're having problems. This is full forward. This is full forward. Ooh. This is full forward. This is full power forward. Come on, up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. I'm not going to go over the fence. Well, guys, that's about it. I'm not going to force it anymore. It flies nicely. And, well, that's about it. I'll take my little carpet along and call it a day. Okay, bye there. The little Haley that could. I really think I should. There's a vibration in it. Okay.